is kitties with a fidget spinner. Look upon them, pawing it. Salem, trying to figure out desperately what exactly it does. And a small, fluffy kitten, deadly afraid of it. He's like, hey man, that's not cool. Well, maybe they have lost interest. Not sure. Should I spin it? Maybe in there. I don't know. Should I spin it?
Yeah, go ahead and get Salem. Spin it a little, maybe Salem will see it.
Like that. Oh, guys, there you go. It's a small, fluffy kitten who does not like to be filmed. Oh, he just saw the camera. Oh dear. I think he's figuring out this out. Uh-oh. Kitten's starting to catch on to what's going on here, folks. We're studying it so intently. Woo! Got my phone. Uh-oh. Here we go. This kitten aggressively wants to murder this thing. Snowball really does not like this toy. He wants to brutally butcher it. Constantly twitching, wondering what's about to happen. I'm half tempted to poke his tail and see what does. It's playing dead, kitten. Kitten is starting to figure out how to spin it. Oh my. Is it bad I like my pet kitten, even though I know I'll like freak out? Well, kitten, I think, he thinks, has figured that, woo! I didn't mean to make you jump. Yes, hello, it's me.
Salem, on the other hand, is like...
Hello, it's me. Alright, and that is the end of this nature video. Look at these two amazing kitties, Snowball and Salem. Say bye to the camera. Oh, there you go. Say bye to the camera. We should go Salem. Oh, you're trying to figure out how the camera works? Yeah. Alright, bye guys.